Now in controlling, we need to do a controlling enterprise structure. For FI company code was there. In control area will come to the picture. Slightly irritating on the first chapter. The rest all chapters are very, very easy.
Okay.
Wow, yeah. Okay. Okay. Chapter plus ING, controlling, general controlling, organization, or enterprise structure. Only 3 points. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Double click. New entries. So now controlling area in FI, it's called as company code. What is my company code? What is my company?
AL99.
AL99. Can you keep mute, please? Voice sound is AL99. KL99. No, no, AL99. Okay. AL99. Name AL99. Controlling. If you see down at the bottom, chart of account fiscal year, everything is there. It has to come automatically. Can you keep it mute, guys? Not able to hear. Keep it mute, guys. Okay. Now let us see controlling area is equal to company code. Area, controlling area, company code is company code is company code is AN99. When you press enter, rest all details will come in. See, all the information given, whatever we have put it. Now, assignment control, company code dash controlling area. You can put controlling same as company code or cross company code. This is very important from the interview part. They might ask you a question: what is the benefit of putting a cross company code? What is the benefit of putting controlling area? Same as company code. If after the implementation, if you are adding one more company code, then if this option is available, then only it allows you. If you consider this as option, then it won't allow you to add any other company code. That's the reason cross company code always take it. Next, cost center standard hierarchy. Cost center standard hierarchy. Cost center GAL99. I'm just differentiating that AL99 means G. I am putting the differentiating. It's a cost center standard hierarchy. Press enter. Press enter and try to yes and save it. Double click on assignment of company code. New entries. Company code AN99. Press enter. Company name will come automatically. Save it. If you have multiple, add the multiple company code. Then activate component control indicator. Fiscal year 2022. Which are not active, please make it active. Active, active data, active, active, active. Profit project sales cost. Sales cost. Profit, active. Save. Maintain number range for controlling document. Maintain number range for controlling document. Number range AL99 controlling area. What we see everywhere is now controlling area starts. Controlling area. Don't click on these intervals. Where in F5 is to click on intervals here. Go to this uh, pen group. Pen group first. Then group and create it. Now you have to create it AL99. AL99 controlling area 12999 and save it. Now when you press enter, what you have to do is double click the cursor here. Coin and FIP has to be whatever the information it has to pick and says put under the whatever we are created now. For example, do like this, put an element group. It asks you under which you wanted. I wanted under this because I put the number range. Say yes. See it is gone. FIP finance tech. So they will tell you how many information has to go and sit under this group. So two I've already sat now. I showed you. There is a possibility they might ask you to allow to do. Okay. All right. Maintain versions. Maintain versions. Maintain versions. There are two types of versions are available. One is actual, one is a plan. Actual means you have got 100 rupees, but your plan is 5-year plan or to build a 1 crore property or house. Actual and plan. So here plan and actual what we call as zero, select zero, full versions, extras, set controlling area, set controlling area, controlling area, AL99, AL99. Double click on controlling area settings. Select full row 0. Setting for each fiscal year. Locked. Lock the second episode, which I told you 5-year plan. Lock only 22. Integrated planning. You're planning for the integration because profit center and the cost center has to be integrated. Because of that, integration planning has to come into picture. And try to save. It will not save because job will be created now. Just have a look. 1, 2, 3. See, job will be created here. It is not saving. It is job is created. Because of that, we have to create twice. Job has been created. Do you see that? Now go back, our SPRO again. And controlling, as you know that it is a general controlling, maintain versions. Second time you do, it will save. You have to do second time. What I said, zero select full row, go to extra set controlling area. Everywhere it is asking controlling area. A control in controlling area is stop. In FI, company code is stop. Both are equivalent. Control select for this career, it is there, and try to save it. It is saving. That have created a job, now it's saved. So enterprise structure is done. Now the next chapter, what I want is cost element. A cost element is one part of controlling area. To create cost elements, there are two types of cost elements. One is primary cost element, one is secondary cost element. Primary cost elements, heading will be primary cost element. Primary cost elements, what do you mean by a primary cost? In primary cost element, GL account will move from FI to CO. In primary cost element, GL account, general ledgers will move from FI to CO bracket only P&L, profit and loss items. Understand? Controlling second chapter, what I was talking about, cost element. Cost element is one part of controlling area. There are two types of controlling area. There are primary cost element and secondary cost element. We are going with the primary cost element to understand. In primary cost element, GL account will move from FI to CO. Here it is only about logic. Logic, go for it. Cost element, um, slash n, KP, wait, cost elements are here. KA01 is the transaction code. KA01 is the transaction code. You can see this page properly. Just have a look at this page properly. As I'm telling, because it has to move from FI to CO, the cost element number has to come directly here and set. How to go for it? Go to FS00. FS00. It's all logic starts now. Go to this AL99. L99. I got a laboratory and income. Let us go in income. Keep the cursor on sales, because income item, and click on the specs. So it will come here automatically. Then click on what is the number? 300. Click on edit cost element. See, it came automatically. Did you see the code? K01 01 2022. Always 31/12/999 will come. Always beginning of the year you have to put. If they ask you to put a specific date, we have to put, otherwise beginning of the year. Press enter. It will come sales account and cost element category. Cost element. This is all sales are what? Revenues, right? We get income out of this. So go for it and revenues. 11. 11. Save it. So it will come here. Again, I'll do one more. Click on specs. 300, 200. Tack, tack, revenues, and save it. Expenses, go to expenses, purchase, work, expense purchase came 400, edit cost element. It is not revenue, it is a primary cost element, not the expenses. Go one more. Okay, now secondary cost element, primary in FI. What is the last number of GL account? Is 4 series of 4. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. 5 lakh onwards, we have not put in CO, just for information. Now, secondary cost element. In secondary cost element, GL account will not move from FI to CO, rather will create in CO itself. In secondary cost element, GL account will not move from FI to CO, rather will create in CO itself. KA06, both same page. K01 and K06. If you see, both the same pages, but it is for a secondary cost element. So you know, series of 4 is always up to the finance. After finance, 5 lakh onwards, it is not there. So we'll put 5 lakh. Now, what is this one? Internal settlement. I would like to give you an example why this secondary cost element comes into picture. For example, when your annual day celebration, what you are going to do? Okay, annual day celebration means there are 2-3 offices are there, branches. I'm talking about Bangalore. Let us say Bangalore. One head office is there, and there are 2 sub offices are there. 2 or 3 offices are there. Okay, so now what they'll do is head office is going to spend on behalf of others. One celebration again, Palace Ground. Okay, so what is happening? The cost of that is, if there are 4 branches in the 3 branches and head office, 4 lakhs came. Example. In a 4 lakhs, that 4 lakhs will be shown in profit and loss account as a 4 lakh expenses towards the annual day celebration. That is done. We put it in our profit and loss statement. When you do, a company creates a profit and loss statement. Now, internally, all 3 branches are my cost centers. Correct? They will be doing, why we have to spend it on this one? We have to collect the money internally. For that internal point of it, this GL account will be used. 5 lakh, this internal settlement. Internal settlement. I hope you got this concept. And here, cost of category will be internal settlement. Internal settlement. And save it. Cost element next one 5 lakh, 5 lakh, 2, 5 lakh, 3, 5 lakh, 4, 5 lakh. So first 2 chapters are completed. Another 4 chapters to go. We can continue tomorrow and do. We are going with the next chapter. We are going with the cost centers. What are the pending now? Cost centers, cost integration with the cost center. Small logic point of each chapter starting now. Ours the second chapter was very easy. Similar way, cost center or master data. Cost element is one of the master data. Now tomorrow cost center we are doing, profit center we are doing, and integration with the cost center, profit center we can finish it. Then day after in 2 days class we can complete this all. We can complete this all. Any other doubts, guys? It's a logic practice.
No, sir.
Okay, good enough. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. Thank you. I'll share the note. Please study.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.